Hello, my name is Joshua Brown from the software developer recruitment training company howtobecome.com, and in this presentation I will teach you how to create the perfect software developer resume or CV. So welcome to this tutorial. I've been helping people get the jobs of their dreams for the past 10 years, and I will help you too. I'll do that by taking you through how to write a resume or CV tailored for software developer positions using our proven strategies, our proven layouts, and our proven content. I'll also give you essential tips that will make you the standout candidate. Plus, you'll also get our 8 powerful keywords that you must include in your software developer resume. That's really important. And I'll also provide you with proven resume and CV templates that you can download and simply fill in the blanks. So it is important that you watch these tips from the beginning to the end and then download the software developer resume templates. And just very quickly, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I want to help you to become a software developer, and I can only do that if you are subscribed. And please don't forget to hit that like button, because this tells me you find these tutorials useful. So first of all, let's take a look at the 3 brilliant tips to writing a software developer resume that are guaranteed to get you noticed. Tip number 1, you must make sure your resume or CV matches the job description. So make sure your resume is tailored to the job description. I'll show you exactly how you can do that in a simple way in just a second, because what most aspiring software developers do is create one resume that they don't keep up to date, and it isn't tailored for the specific company that they are applying for. And they just submit it to every software developer company out there and then wonder why they aren't getting invited to interview. This is a big mistake. So I'll show you the exact steps you can implement into your own resume today, very shortly, and I'll make sure you stand out from the crowd. Tip number 2 is to make sure you load your resume or CV with powerful keywords and phrases based on the core competencies of a software developer. I'm going to give you a list of 8 powerful keywords that I recommend you use on your resume to stand out in just a bit. And finally, the 3rd great tip is one many people get wrong, and that is to keep your resume short, simple, and relevant. Put yourself in the shoes of the employer. They are likely to get tons of resumes or CVs, and they will have to sift through 30, 50, or even hundreds of resumes for software developer openings that are 3 or 4 pages long. Your resume just needs to be a couple of pages, but it needs to be relevant. You want everything on your resume to show that you are the ideal candidate for their software developer job role. So let me show you now all of these tips in more detail, because these are essential for crafting your own winning software developer resume. First, make sure you tailor your resume to that job description. You need to match it to that job description. Now, a brilliant, quick, and easy way to do this, which we've seen great success in throughout all industries, is to include a skills and qualities section on your resume that matches the requirements and the skills listed on the job description. So let's take a look at a typical software developer job advert. You can see that here on the left-hand side of the screen. You can see that they list the main skills and requirements needed of a software developer. So for example, you can see here on this advert that they want a software developer to be able to solve complex issues. Therefore, on your resume, you could say something just like this: problem solving, exceptional problem solving abilities, and a keen eye for detail, capable of debugging complex issues and enhancing code quality through rigorous testing and code reviews. Now, I'm going to show you exactly where you can put this on your CV in just a second, but let's keep working through this list of this job description. The next software developer requirement is to be able to stay up to date with the latest industry trends. So you could say this: adaptability, committed to continuous learning and staying updated with the latest industry trends and technologies to drive innovation and efficiency in software development processes. Below that, you can see that this company, like most, wants someone who can collaborate well with others. So on your resume, under a skills and qualities section, which I'm going to go through with you in a minute, you may say something like this: teamwork, able to work collaboratively with other software developers on large projects, mentor junior developers, and adopt a collaborative and inclusive culture. We also know that multitasking and time management is important for software developers. So you could say this: time management, able to work efficiently on multiple projects simultaneously and prioritize tasks as per deadlines and changing priorities. And finally, the next core requirement of a software developer is that they must have effective communication. Therefore, you could say something like this: effective communication, skilled in communicating with stakeholders, colleagues, and clients at all levels through both verbal and written methods. So as you can see, this is a real simple thing to do, but it will get you noticed and make you stand out when you submit your resume. Now, here's those 8 powerful keywords and phrases to include throughout your resume. Keyword number 1 is collaborator. This is so important because software development is often a team effort. Collaboration is crucial for working effectively with other developers, designers, project managers, and stakeholders. Good collaborators can integrate diverse ideas and contribute to a cohesive, high-quality product. The next powerful keyword is problem solver. This is a great keyword, and it's very important because developing software invariably involves encountering and resolving complex issues. A strong problem solver can analyze problems, identify root causes, and implement effective solutions, ensuring the software functions as intended and meets user needs. Innovative. This is a great word to use because the tech industry is constantly evolving. Innovative developers can think creatively and come up with new ideas, approaches, and solutions that can set the company's products apart from the competition and improve user experience. The next powerful keyword that you must include in your CV is adaptable. Now, technology and project requirements can change rapidly, so adaptable developers can quickly learn new technologies, adjust to new methodologies, and pivot when project goals shift, ensuring that they remain effective and productive. Make sure you include adaptable on your CV. The next word is detail-oriented. Now, this is really important because writing code requires precision. Detail-oriented developers catch small errors and inconsistencies that could lead to larger issues, ensuring that the software is reliable, efficient, and bug-free. The next powerful keyword is effective communicator. Clear communication is essential for understanding project requirements, sharing ideas, and explaining complex technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders. Effective communicators can bridge gaps and ensure everyone is aligned. Again, use effective communicator on your CV. Make sure you also use team player. This is really important because beyond just collaborating, being a team player means actively contributing to the team's success, supporting colleagues, and fostering a positive work environment. Team players help build strong, cohesive teams that can overcome challenges together. Okay, the 8th powerful keyword that you must include on your CV is self-motivated. I can't stress how important that is for a software developer because self-motivated developers take initiative. They pursue continuous learning and they stay productive without constant supervision. These are all skills and qualities that the hiring manager will be looking for in their software developer. This trait is particularly valuable in fast-paced environments and remote work settings where independence is crucial. Now, including all of these attributes in your resume demonstrates that you possess not only the technical skills, but also the personal qualities necessary to thrive in a software development role. And so many software developers just focus on their technical skill set on their CV and forget about these personal qualities that are so important. These are what make you employable. So those are the 8 keywords and phrases that I recommend you use on your software developer resume. And I will give you the templates for these very shortly that you can download, and they have these phrases already included in them. But before I do that, let's take a look at a template here in this tutorial. So remember, keep your resume short, simple, and relevant. It just needs to be 2 pages. It doesn't need to be any more than that. The first area to include on your resume or CV is your name, address, email, and phone number. Now, for your address, you can keep your resume looking simple and clean by only including the state or county that you're in and the postcode or zip code that you're from. For your email, make sure that you test it is working and ensure that you use a professional looking email address. Don't use anything you created when you were still at school. That won't look professional to an employer. Next is your personal profile or your personal statement section. This is a great opportunity for you to highlight your relevant experience. How you match the core competencies of a software developer, and highlight you want to work for their company. I'll show you exactly what a fantastic software developer personal statement looks like in just a minute in this tutorial. We'll break it down step by step. The next section is the skills and qualities section that we looked at earlier. For a software developer CV, I also recommend having a technical skills section, which highlights the programming languages, web technologies, and databases and so on that you are well skilled in. You then need to showcase your previous employment. Again, make sure this section is tailored with keywords and phrases from the software developer job description, pulling on relevant experience you conducted in that role, and try to quantify your experience where possible. And what I mean by that is, you could say you've improved user engagement by 35% in a previous job role, for example. Then you can list your education, followed by your personal achievements and hobbies. A great tip here is to show that you like to exercise to help remain fit and increase concentration levels, or partake in team-based activities or sports if this is something that you do. And then finally, you need to detail your references. Now, it's okay to just say references available on request, but if you want to go above and beyond, which I recommend you do, then list your references here with contact details. Okay, what I want to do now is to show you a brilliant personal statement to use on your software developer resume or CV. You'll notice that I have highlighted the keywords and phrases that will help you stand out. So here's my example for you, which I've set out in 2 paragraphs, which is what I recommend you do on your CV. Highly skilled software developer with 6+ years of experience in full stack development, creating interactive, user-centered websites and scalable applications, proficient in front-end and back-end technologies, database management and cloud services, ensuring high performance, exceptional problem solver with a focus on user experience and performance optimization, experience in developing RESTful APIs, microservices architecture, and utilizing Docker and Kubernetes for streamlined deployment. Proven track record of leading cross-functional teams in agile environments to deliver high-quality software on time and within budget. A collaborative team player with excellent communication skills, committed to fostering an inclusive work environment, passionate about leveraging technology to create impactful solutions and contribute to organizational success. Given the opportunity, I would be honored to work for, and then insert the company name there, and I am confident I would thrive in this position. Wow, that is a brilliant personal statement. Remember, the highlighted keywords and phrases I've included here is just for your reference. You wouldn't actually highlight these on your personal statement. It's just here to demonstrate how powerful a personal statement can be if you spend time including all the keywords and phrases that we looked at throughout this video tutorial. So the next thing to do, if you want to download my software resume and CV templates, you can do that by clicking the link in the top right hand corner of this video or in the pinned comment below the video, which will take you through to my website, howtobecome.com, where you can instantly access my 7 software developer resume templates. Now, don't click that link just yet, as there's something I need to tell you first. On that page, you will see that you can get all of the templates in an editable Word document where I've given you different styles, and they're all just 2 pages in length. You'll notice that throughout I've highlighted the skills and qualities and competencies that are needed by software developers and sought after by hiring managers at all companies worldwide. All you need to do is simply fill in the blanks and edit the content to match your own experiences. Now, it is important that everything you include in your resume is honest to you, but these templates are a perfect foundation for you to quickly tweak and get a professional looking and tailored resume for all software developer roles, and also, more importantly, a resume to put you ahead of the competition and make you the standout candidate. So as I said, you can get instant downloadable access to these templates by clicking the button in the top right hand corner now, or in the pinned comment below this video, and heading through to my website, howtobecome.com, where you can have them in your inbox within 2 minutes from now. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, as I'm on a mission to help as many people as possible pass their software developer recruitment process, interviews and applications. And I can only do that if you are subscribed. Please also hit that like button, as that encourages me to make more videos just like these. If you have any questions regarding any stage of the software developer selection process, then please feel free to put these in the comment section below, where I'll get back to you. And finally, please don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I've put my LinkedIn link in the description below. It's always great to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best with your application. Have a brilliant day.